Alright guys, our 26th iPhone development tutorial, and the only things we have left to do is pretty much change the blue views, so it's pretty much work with the interface files, adding the colored backgrounds. So go ahead and click the XIB, and this is of course going to open up Interface Builder. Pretty cool. So now what we want to do is this file's owner, it doesn't exactly know which class is supposed to be changing this view. So go ahead and click Files Owner, and its identity under class, you see the default is NSObject. We want to say, alright, you are in charge of controlling the blue class. Or, the blue class is in charge of controlling you. So make sure you do that, and now we can go ahead and begin working with the interface itself. So go ahead and click View, and in the attributes right here, go ahead and change the background to a nice blue view. Looks pretty good. Actually, let's change it to this. That's a little lighter. I like that one a little better. So make sure you change to the light blue, or else your program's going to blow up. Now, in your attributes inspector, right here, you see simulated interface elements, and this can simulate interface elements if you couldn't tell by the title. So remember, in our program we have that bar at the bottom, and it's a toolbar. So in order to simulate this in our view, go ahead in your attributes inspector, simulated elements, bottom bar, go ahead and select toolbar. Now look what happens in our view. This little blank toolbar pops up, and it simulates a toolbar on the screen. Pretty cool. So this actually isn't going to show up on our view. It's just going to simulate what a toolbar would be. So, that's kind of what we want. So the only thing we have left to do is the class, well, pretty much do this. I'll show you guys and then I'll talk you guys through. In your file owner icon, go ahead and control and drag over to your view icon and go ahead and click view. Now, why did I do that? So this class needs to be able to access that view, and we didn't set everything up by default. Remember, we made all our classes, so that is how you get this class to be able to access its view. I know it's weird that you have to do that, but you just need to do that. So now what we need to do is go ahead, file, save, and interface builder, quit interface builder, and we need to do the exact same thing for the red one. So if you were wondering how to do all that, maybe you missed something, here's what you do. File owner, over in identity, this one is going to change the red class. I really have to scroll down and find it. This is bullspit. I said spit, guys, take it easy. And what did I even name that? Red. It's probably element red class. There we go. It only took me half an hour to find it. So the red class now controls this view. So after that, go ahead, click view, and in your attributes, go ahead and change the background to a nice red. This is the red class we're working with, isn't it? And of course, add that simulated toolbar at the bottom. Toolbar pops up right there. And now control drag from your files owner to view and select view as the outlets. And now this class can change the view or access the view. So go ahead, file, save, interface builder, quit interface builder, and now here is our big moment. Let's build and run this, see if I got any errors, see if it works. Build and run. Alright, looking good so far. Awesome. Oh my god, it works. Switch views. And again, this isn't just changing the background. This is actually changing the views of your application. So how awesome is that? Congratulations, guys. You finally built a program that has multiple views. It only took like 10 tutorials, but yeah, we did it. I am extremely proud of myself. I did that whole thing without getting any errors. So if you want to leave me a congratulatory message and saying how awesome I am, do so in the comments below, because I'm super happy right now about this program we just created. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, I know this can be confusing, but we're going to be building a lot of multi-view applications from now on, so it'll naturally clear up as we go on. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment in my forum, link below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next tutorial.